Hey, what's up, gang? Happy Tuesday. It is 9:29. We got about 40 seconds before market opens. We, of course, have our special guest here, Trading Cowboy. Thank you for joining us once again, gentlemen,
Good
sir.
morning, morning. Thanks for having me. Thanks for having me, guys.
Woo! Man, so we were just digesting this market really quick together. It was almost a good thing that I walked away at 10:30 because it basically, hold on, let me switch screens really quick. So we literally went nowhere yesterday. You know, we had this really nice rip up to about 10:30, 11 o'clock, and then we just literally ping-ponged all stinking night until we absolutely rocket shipped up here to the 26,000s. It's 9:30, market's finally open. We're going to be really patient today, though, gang, because, I mean, honestly, we're at 26,000s. We have FOMC tomorrow. We have consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock today. So I don't know. The only response or the only kind of game plan I loosely have is it looks like we have a really nice support point right down here at 25,930. So depending on how we react off that, that might be our potential to enter along again, and then shooting back up for 26,000s would then be our target. Otherwise, we have a whole heck of a lot of room to the downside, but conversely, I guess, or whatever the opposite could objectively maybe, we also do have that 26,400 target to the upside as well. So I guess we just kind of feel it out. I mean, that was a massive wick right there. Already
Yeah,
shot
we
up
missed about
50
a
points.
50-point banger right there.
Yep. So I don't know, man. I mean, it's always like you always go in with a game plan, and then the second you have the game plan, you're like, okay. It's like, hey, wait for the first 5 minutes, and then you see a wick like that shooting right back up, and I'm like, oh. I mean, the only thing I don't like is obviously it just shot right up to our 26,000, right up to that huge volume shelf right here. So we just
Right,
have a whole
absolutely.
heck of a lot of buyers and a whole heck of a lot of sellers, and we don't know which direction they want to go yet. Let's see. Q's gapped up, and obviously just a huge green bar going up. Hey, driving obsession, Sod. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? Oh, I'm trading cowboy. I like the typing in the chat too, man. That's the pro level move. That's cool, man. I rarely do that. Usually, like on my way out, if I've already like turned the camera off and somebody said something, I'm like, "See you guys," you know. That's cool though, man. I like it. All right, let's fix all
I'm gonna
this.
get that G-Wagon. I got to start performing though.
Dude,
So
right? I know. That G-Wagon. My God. And that is actually my wife's dream car as well. She really badly wants a G-Wagon also.
maybe you can get a 2-for-1 deal for us then.
There you
Maybe.
go. Get the set. Just walk in, tell them to give me a pair. Just give me a pair of them. That's all we need. All right, so we came down here to 955 just to pop all the heck way up to 26,012s. Yeah, I mean, it just unfortunately and boringly enough. I don't know. I guess patience is kind of the plan at the moment. This is the
Yeah,
five
kind of the
minute we're
key
looking
here
at.
right now.
I mean, yeah, this is just kind of the consolidation box we've been in for a real long time. Which unfortunately is kind of a big box too. It's a big range. Which we're starting to break it. I don't know. 930, 933. It's still just early though. We're right down here at VWAP.
Kind of made a wick through the VWAP and kind of trying to hold it, but it doesn't look very strong.
So I guess I don't know. I guess I'd want to see it really break through like 967. If it can break through 967 again, which it's doing right now, then I think we can target the 930s, right? It's just a little friggin' early still. I don't know. How are you feeling about it all?
Yeah, I mean, that 955 is showing pretty good support. It's bounced off of it twice now, so hopefully that could be our bottom.
Oh, yeah.
But, you know, I kind of see the 930 coming in. We don't have anything below that 955, so our volume and everything gets really weak down through there. So, I mean, really all the way down to, well, forever, really, 890s maybe even. So,
Yep.
I mean, we have 835, kind of a big support yesterday, kind of at the end. So,
Yep. Man, if I'm like being honest, I kind of hate it when it's like this.
right.
It's kind of really hard to trade because it just did such a massive pop overnight. I don't mind when it drops overnight. When we have a massive sell off
Right.
overnight, then I'm thinking like, okay, like longs, you know, we might be able to catch it back up. But we have a huge pop like this, and then we have FOMC tomorrow. It's like, man, I think it's going down though.
It sure seems that way. Kind of seeing what this night, you know, we didn't quite get back to that 955 again
Yeah.
on this candle here. So
And this is our 5 minute candle that we're looking at right now too. This is kind of the 5 minute candle push. So you would think if it's to
yeah,
fall, there you go. It would start going
and there it
now.
is.
We're gonna try
Yeah.
one.
Order filled.
So targeting that 930s if we can. I really don't see any other resistance. I mean, maybe at 944. So I guess I'll take just maybe one off. Take one off at 10 points there at 944 and leave the rest hopefully for a little bit lower.
Order filled.
Come on. See if we can't get the rest of the way down there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, so stinking close. I'm
Yeah,
going to take
there's
two
your
more off just 'cause it's so
935.
close. And then I'll put... I'll put one stop in at 10 points. I'll leave the other one to break even just in case it really does want to flush. Oh, shoot. I forgot to...
Yeah,
Order
nice.
filled.
I wasn't thinking about it. I was going to take one off of that and make it so it was just one. But there you go. Full price target. Yay!
Look at there. Look at there.
We did it. Woo! Look at that. We're up 179 bucks on the day. First trade in. Not bad. Did
Heck
you take
yeah.
that trade as well?
No, sir. I was watching you the whole time.
Oh, man. It's all right. You gave me the confidence. You gave me the confidence and
There you go,
support
there
to
you
go
go.
in it, you know? Well, I know, too, like you kind of said, you don't really like going short. You kind of like going longies instead.
Yeah, it's kind of hard for me, you know. I mean, that was a perfect play though. I mean, you
Yeah.
called it out 930s. Here it is, still dropping a little bit. So
Man, I'm such a I'm like the forever optimist as well. Like obviously always smiling and blah 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 blah. But interestingly enough, I feel like I kind of lean towards the shorts,
yeah,
which is
yeah,
against my personality.
which is good though. I mean, if you see that weakness, why not, right?
Right. Hey, morning, Miguel. What's up, big dog? Hey, Charles. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Mine is $1 million. Charles' plan today. Listen, Charles doesn't wake up on a Tuesday unless it's for a mill. If it's not for a mill, he's not going. We got a gap to fill, guys. Do we have a gap? Where's the Are you talking about the Q's gap or are you talking about an NQ gap? I definitely see the the Q's gap, but NQ, I mean, I think we filled it. We had a gap down like the 400s or something. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see no gaps. But look at that. I mean, we're sitting right at that kind of support now. Trading Cowboys itching to go long. Man, that's been interesting to see too. That Patrick is transitioning to personal accounts. He's not even really using props.
Yeah, yeah, that is kind of different.
All right. Which I tried personal when I very started. Literally the second I left the BDH, I tried personal. It did not work out too well.
Yeah.
Like, whoops. All right, maybe props is a good thing.
Right. Yeah. I mean, it's easier to lose $2,000 when it only costs you 100. So
Right. Yeah. Exactly, man. Exactly.
so maybe setting up for a nice little bear flag here, maybe if it can break this 921 area, 920s.
Yep. Though our little, it's starting to just grow a tiny, tiny, tiny little shelf. I mean, if there was to be a reversion play for it to pop back up, I think this would almost be it. Even though I agree, right now we're forming bear flag, but if this thing pops 950, you might be able to take a quick trade up to 973.
Yeah, I think so. I think you could get right back up at least to the 21 at 965.
Otherwise, Miguel says if we keep going lower, 845s maybe. Oh yeah, basically hit our
Yeah,
pre-market
I
low.
think so. Yeah. Kind of where we bounced yesterday.
What time is it? 9:40. This is our 5-minute candle. This is our Freshie 5. Freshie 5 is coming out right now.
Look at that, push right back up.
Shoo! Which we're right at our opening range low now though. Of that 5-minute. Uh-oh. This chart's all screwed up. Yeah, so we came up and we wicked the bottom of that opening range low. So let's see, man. I don't know. I'm almost tempted for the push. But your stop would be a 20-point stop. I don't know. Maybe give it a sec.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of think, maybe this may be the pullback back up to 65 to 70 and then see if we get a retracement to go lower.
Dancing right at that opening range low. This is the 1 minute you guys are looking at right now. Let us see. I mean, yeah, I guess I'd want to almost see it kind of come down to this midway point, maybe a 940 first before it keeps pushing. But I mean, boom, there you go. There's that 970. Shoot, man. I mean, we said if it breaks 950, we're going to 970, and there it goes.
We're great broadcasters.
I know, right? Damn. There's the 980 push. I mean, again, we friggin' called it out, too. We knew that 930 would be support. Took the short beautiful. We could have took the long beautiful for that little V-shaped recovery. Now, we did just tap the midway point, though, as we're seeing right here. We just tapped our midway point on our 5-minute opening range, so that would be a great place for us to curl back down. So in an instance like this, I never really fully play the 5-minute perfectly. I guess you want to see a full 1-minute candle closure now below the range again, and then you could kind of start targeting lowers, right? Or is it better to kind of do it sooner than... No, I guess you don't want to do it sooner than later, because right now we're still trending up.
Yeah, I mean, I'd kind of like to see what happens here. We're pushing a little farther than I thought, but see if this candle pushes up, back to maybe 970 or something, and then see if it rejects off of that.
Yep.
That 974, we got a little action, and then 970. So, but it looks like it's just going to keep pushing straight down. So on a 5-minute, we tested a couple EMAs, the VWAP, and then we stayed under the 200 EMA. So,
yep.
Which is usually a pretty big turning point on, SPY, NVIDIA, Netflix. The 200 is usually a sign of if it's turning directions or going to stay above or below it. So
yeah, you're right. NVIDIA is bleeding out like a pig right now.
Yeah.
So hopefully we get a little reaction down. I don't want it to just stall out at the midway point, though.
Yeah, I mean, now we need to just watch and see if this is going to be a continuation through the lows and get a good push there where we can get in, or if this is going to be a small pullback to do an inversion to get back up over 26,000. So.
Right, which I jumped in a little bit early. I'm in the short right now. As soon as it broke that
that previous
948
wick.
basically.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
entered on the 948 break, but it is starting to form a little bit of a bull flag here, so we got to be a little bit cautious. There we go. Let's try to see
Just
if
a
we
little
can just
push.
go a little bit more. Shoot, I was almost going to take a couple of them off right there too, actually, because I don't really love these wicks. These wicks are getting a little bit strong. Oh shoot, here we got a new 5-minute candle in 10 seconds. I should have paid attention to that too. Alright, let's see. $48, $58, $68. We're 20 points against it. We're at VWAP right now. Not great. Yeah, Qs are making a bull flag. Nvidia is getting some strength. Yeah. Not the best. Not the best. Come on. Go back the
I
other
kind of
way.
played that fast wick of that previous candle, went long for the little inversion. So, not too bad. Up about 20 points right now. So,
Oh, shoot. You went long? Oh,
yes, sir. Yeah,
man. You
right
should
there
have
at the
called it
bottom of
out.
that. So. Well, I hated to call a long out when we're in a short. So,
Yeah, but then at least, yeah, please do next time, though, because then I'll know, like,
I'm looking just to see if we can clear that 985 again. I'm going to
yeah.
start trailing it pretty close, but so yeah, up about $500, $600 on one contract.
We're switching to your screen then.
But I caught the bottom just right on that little wick when as soon as it wick past.
Yeah. Oh, man.
And it's like it's all mental. I mean, I'll lose 4 or 5 accounts trying to go long when it's dropping. So
Right. Ugh. Man, me on the other hand, I need this thing to now break 960s. Come back down.
yeah, I mean, you definitely don't want 965. You don't want this 21 to hold right here. So
Yeah.
for the shorts.
Yeah, Qs have a real nice... Shoot, that's a real nice bull flag there.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take that at 970. So
Nice trade,
not bad.
man.
I mean, I got 795 total for the day. So got about 600 on that trade right there. So
Nice trade. Yeah, I'm gonna
and
start.
hey, that was a perfect setup for. I mean, the only thing I had in my way, I had 944. My mental stop was 930s. If it broke back below this, then I knew it was probably going to continue.
Yeah.
So I just tried to play that little inversion. I think we still may go up a little bit. I don't know. It's projected
Man.
pretty good
There's
right
still.
here.
I know, man. I'm still in this. I'm still in this short, but yeah, it's. I'm not feeling good about it at all.
This is a good place. If it rejects, this is a good. I wouldn't tell you to average down, but this is where I'd be averaging down if I was.
Right. If you're stuck in it.
But we got to see what I mean. If it clears this 983 wick, then
Yeah.
I think we target back up into the 26,000s.
Yeah,
So.
it's gonna pop up. Well, Miguel, don't take this short. Trading Convoy went long, and I went short at the same time. It didn't work out for me.
So we have your entry at 962. So I like your entry. I mean, I like where you entered because I would have had mine set at 960, 961 for the short. So
Yeah. Shoot, I'm considering taking out the add-on if I can. If it drops below view up a little bit, comes back down to like start trailing this Oh shit, should I or shouldn't I? Yeah, I probably should.
I mean, we got 1 minute for close. We're building out a little bit of a bull flag.
For the 950, yeah. Shoot, I gotta.
Daddy,
Hold on, baby.
can you give me some dollars like to buy my toy?
Yeah, baby. Well, just hold on a sec.
Yay!
And no, you gotta do stuff to earn your. You gotta earn the monies to get your toy, babe.
But
Ah, shit. There it goes against me.
So nice bull flag. I mean, I think we're going to continue to
Yeah,
the
that was a
upside.
nice bull flag. That was dumb.
to like ask somebody if you can give
Shoot.
them like some dollars.
Well, that didn't work. Man, I was just about to drop that stop too.
Dad,
Of
I
course.
need a lot of dollars.
You need lots and lots of dollars.
Yeah,
That was our 950 candle push.
I need 50.
Whoa.
I need $50. And I only have $25.
Yeah. I
Stop
just gotta
field.
get out of this thing.
Order
Oh,
filled.
bad trade. My first trade was good. That second trade was horrible. And I just held it too long. And then I shouldn't have done the add-in. Well, the add-in would have been okay if I had gotten out of it a little bit quicker. Oh, darn.
Yeah, you know, that was the breaking point right there, right? The 983s, 985s,
Yep.
980s anyway was.
Darn. Yeah, it just looks so beautiful too. Like that's one of those ones where you're just like, you're watching a train wreck happen in front of you. And it's like, get out of the way. And you're like, all right, well, just hold on.
Right.
You know, maybe. And no, just get out of the dang way. Son of a bitch. Well, we were up $200. We aren't anymore. So now we're back up to the 26,000s here. Let's see, if we break 2610, we might have a good chance of coming back up to the 2640s. I mean, ES is just going through the roof at the moment. Same thing with NVIDIA.
Yeah, you know, I wish I would have held that 944. I wish I'd have stayed in that trade for sure.
Yeah, man, that was a good trade.
You just hate
Shoot.
to give money back, you know. I mean,
Right.
you hate to take some and give it back, especially, you know, when that was, you know, that's a funded account there. That's not an eval.
Yeah,
That was a funded
right.
account. So you hate to.
Yeah, you got to keep it close to the vest a little.
Yeah.
All right, so where's our 5-minute range? We just came up and we almost wicked the top of that 5-minute range. We're still pushing though. I mean, it seems like we got a lot of force behind
Order
us.
filled.
Kind of FOMO in this entry right now just because I'm trying to make money back, which is always a terrible way to do it. And we got FOMC tomorrow too. Oh shoot, and we got consumer confidence in 8 minutes, so we got to be careful of that.
Yeah. We're holding up here. We just need to see if we can get that push, or,
Yeah.
you know, I think otherwise we need to come back to
Probably come back
maybe
down to
the
the
90s.
970s or something, yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
We'll get that push.
I think we will
We just need to break that
eventually.
wick right there. There you
We're
go.
starting to get it right now a little bit. Gonna take two
Yeah,
off.
there you
Order
go.
filled.
Trail
Look at that.
Trail some stops.
Stop filled.
Got one left. We'll leave the run.
Hey guys, and we're live right here at Sink or Swim. So look at this trade. Look at Greg making this move. Let's hit that like button. Show
Getting
us some
some
love.
monies back, boys. Getting some shmonies back. Third trade of the day here. We're up 30 points on it right now. Actually, yeah, we gained 5 subscribers yesterday. That was a great little stream.
Yeah, sweet.
And gang, the new T-shirts came in.
Uh-oh.
Look at that. Which I got one for the kiddos too. my 4-year-old, my 7-year-old are also wearing them right now. So we're just squadding
Heck
up
yeah.
with. This is my other one. It's on the back instead.
So
I
cool.
got my little
Look
Sink
at
or
that,
Swim
guys.
logo on the front here. Shoo! We hitting the big times. All right, so we're up 36 points on it now. We're really trying to hit that high of the day, which we're
Yeah, let's see
really
if we can.
stinking
Let's see if we can
close.
push through it, or let's see if they're going to trick us again and stop us just short of it. So
Yep. Which I guess I'm going to move my stop up now, because we're well outside this white band too.
yeah, maybe what are you thinking? Where you set your maybe below that wick or something? Yeah, right where you got it. Yeah,
Well, I kept it higher
that's
actually. I
it,
mean, it
that
should
body.
be. It
Yeah.
probably should be at like 2018. Yeah, let's do that. Let's put it below the wick.
No, I think that 30 area would be. Look at that. Look at
There
that.
you go.
Look at that, guys.
Kabooms. Right as my alarm was going off to remind us that we have consumer confidence in 5 minutes. But look at that, gang.
And we're doing this live, guys.
Yeah, not bad. 45 points. 45 points on her. Which, man, I changed my, let's see, fills and orders, show trade lines. I didn't want to show the trade line because it just gets so garbled up with all these damn trade lines. But I guess if you take it off, then it doesn't show you the full
Yeah, you
thing.
can't see
So
your
40
profit and
points.
loss. Yeah.
40 points on the best guy. Not bad. Which, frustratingly enough, we're still a little bit down on the day. We're down 216. I was up 200, and then that second trade I took, that one wicked me. All right, so let's get another one. So obviously we're well below, or well above VWAP here. Our EMAs are fanning out real nice. We broke a new, a little bacon care package.
That's the last one.
Oh,
Shoo! Thanks, Bubs.
You're welcome.
That's a good strip. Dude, find your shirt? Go find it. They want to see it.
I tried.
What?
Plus, it's the same one as that one.
No, but you're not wearing it. Didn't you just, maybe you took it off in bed? Do you sleep in it?
No, I put it where all of my other shirts are. And now I can't find it.
Man, so again, just real hard position now. That was basically my 2 plays. Play number 1, since we were dropping, I figured 930 would be solid support. So that was a good short. Should have went long after it. I didn't. I went short, sillily enough, because I thought it was potentially breaking back down, but it didn't. Now we've had our push up to our all-time highs. I mean, not all-time highs, daily high. So what the heck is next?
I mean, I think we got to wait 2.5 minutes to see what's going to go on. But,
Yep.
clearly that 2660 is 50% above our box. It usually, respects that for a little bit. We see a push over it, then we could target, 100% over the box.
Yep.
Which would be 26,107. But if we look now, guys, I mean, we're so far from our 21, which is what I usually follow by heart.
Yep.
So, we could get a pullback all the way back down to 26,005 or 26,000 even before we go higher. So,
Yep.
and we got 2 minutes. I mean, this thing may rocket here in a minute. So,
Yeah, it could, man, which would be quite frustrating in itself as well.
so tell us, Greg, talk to us. So we're not getting into trade. Talk us out of it. Tell us how everybody gets one of those T-shirts.
I know, right?
You gonna do a pre-order for everybody? And
Man, actually, I'm going to set it up sooner than later because the first shirts that came in, I hated the quality. These ones are perfect quality, super long. So yeah, I got to set up a Shopify, then I got to link the Aleek account to it. So probably this weekend. Maybe I'll work on it this weekend.
I mean, I know Miguel's waiting and waiting. He's been waiting the longest, I think. So.
Oh, I know it. Miguel's going to get one for himself. He's going to get one for his mom. I love it. Got to send you one, Trading Cowboy. Be great. We gotta get the collab shirt. That would be
Yeah,
kind of
for sure.
interesting. Put a couple. I don't
sure.
even know what you'd put on it. You know. I feel like with your wife though, man, you could probably come up with some really good and creative T-shirts.
Oh yeah, she's phenomenal at that. So
Yeah.
I really rely on her to do a lot of that technology.
Yeah.
And we
man,
got to
I would
get your
too.
we got to get your song going too. So
Yeah.
we got to
Man.
get you an intro song going. So she's been working on one for me. So
Oh, I know,
a
man.
little
Wait, what did you
intro
just say?
video.
Sorry, I got distracted. Hey. Hi, puppy. All right, so here we go.
Yeah,
We got
Jose needs
10
one too.
seconds
So
left.
see,
We are forming a really nice bull flag at the moment.
5 seconds, guys. Let's see what happens right here.
Yes.
Oh, I mean, dancing a little. Jose just said
Not
hi
quite
to
the
you.
reaction.
All right, watch your head. Watch your head. Watch your head. Jet, Jet. He's not going down there to play with you. Yeah, so a little reaction there, but honestly not huge. I mean, I guess give it a full. Well, I'll be helping Josh out until about 6,
How far away is the place?
like 20 minutes.
Can you leave at like 2:30?
Well, right now it's 10 o'clock. No, I know, babe. Well, we'll be able to hang out this weekend though.
Did you hear me gasp this morning? It's getting into the 20s next week.
It's getting into the 20s next week.
Yeah.
I hope it rains.
So
It's gonna snow.
it's gonna rain one night, but it's gonna rain while it's in the 40s before it gets to the 20s.
So Trading Cowboy, it got into like 1 degree. He said, and he has
Yeah, we
horses
went
and
negative
everything, so
1
they had
for
to
a
put
couple
blankets
hours,
on all
yeah.
the horses and stuff. But they have barn heaters. We don't have barn heaters. You're too fancy for
We're-
us.
He's doing great.
And we're sitting at 20 degrees right now. So
Dude, that's bananas, man. I can't believe we're gonna hit 20 degrees. I haven't experienced 20 degrees in such a stinking long time now.
Can we buy hand warmers?
Buy some hand
I'm
warmers.
not buying him hand warmers. He's refusing to wear gloves.
Daddy.
We do have to consider the Airbnb though again and be like, I don't know. Do we have to get another space heater? We might have to get another space
No,
heater.
that heats the whole thing just fine.
Not if it's 20 degrees out.
There's not gonna be anybody staying in it at that point.
Oh, okay.
We don't have any bookings for that.
Yes.
And
Oh.
we're gonna be away, so I probably won't accept any bookings that happen for those 3 days.
Oh, that makes sense, I guess.
Yes, I get to have the heated blanket.
No, you don't.
Why?
Because. Yeah, man, that Airbnb, we were booked up 16 days now total for January. How crazy is that?
oh wow.
Right?
So you need to get another one, huh?
Literally, man. It's time for 2.0. I know. And it's, I
Yeah.
mean, it's such a cool concept because it was that 1987 Airstream that we renovated. So that's the only thing that would stink
Yeah.
is got to find a new Airstream. And it takes forever. Oh, that's cool. It's just a bearing.
Yeah, for a fitness thing.
Nice. Yeah,
If I
that's what's
could
in
find a
that's what's in
difference.
skateboard wheels.
What?
All right, so let's see. Man, I don't know. This this might just be an insane 10 o'clock algo that we're just gonna consolidate and barcode for the whole day. I have no idea. I love Cali weather, just the weather though. Jose. Jose and Miguel need one. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I mean, we'll work on it. We'll work on it this weekend. And they won't be bad either. Like, I think my cost is 15 or something like that. So maybe you price them at like 25. So it's not atrocious. But if you have like the double-sided print, then the cost is 22, which is a little frustrating because then it's like a $35 shirt. I don't know how many people want to pay $35 for a shirt. Yeah, it's freezing out. Do you know the last time you got gas? Your car probably is fine, right?
Like a week ago. So you want me to stop and get gas?
Oh yeah. We have a Mercedes GLE 350 SUV, and the the fuel sensor just went bad on it. We haven't fixed it
Oh.
yet. So it's a, it's playing Russian roulette every time she drives that car. I don't know, so like, you might want to top it off. But I'm actually going to use it today. Man, I was too tired when I left the fireplace thing yesterday. I have my Tesla as well. And I was down to like 25 miles of range, and we live like 18 miles away from the place or whatever. And I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to try to make it. So I made it all the way home with 4 miles left. Forgetting, though, that we have an Airbnb guest, and right next to the Airstream is where we have the 220 plug where I charge my car. So obviously don't want to charge my car right now while she's staying in it.
Sure.
So my car's just a brick for the next couple days. I mean, we're gonna wait until she leaves to go to work, and then I'll send it over to charge. But I'll be gone already.
Yeah.
All right, actually, ES is starting to curl down a little bit. Qs are starting to curl down a little bit. Nvidia popped.
Yeah,
up
there
really
again,
nice.
NQ kind of rejected that 26060, which we knew it had to get through that to continue up. So now we're getting a slight pullback.
But the scary thing is, where do we stop? I mean, it might just come down to this 21, which, boom, look at that. It might just come down to the 21. Tick-ink.
If it would just give us a little wick through the 21 and hold, I think we may have, we'll have a little bit of support at the top of the box at 26013.
Mm-hmm.
So, below those EMAs, we could set a stop below 26,000 if it gets in there, but we want to see how low it goes, see if it takes out this 26019.
Yep. And then the top of my consolidation
move down, so.
I got my consolidation box right here at 26,010 basically.
Okay.
So that could be a thing as well, which is also the 45. The 45 should be the 9 on the 5, I think. Is that correct? Let's see if that's correct. The 9 on the 5 is 15. This one's 10, so it's off a little bit. But yeah, that would be our 5-minute EMA as well right there, that blue line. And that would be the halfway point. That's also our opening range high. So yeah, the 26,013. That's going to be an important one. Let us see.
Building on a little bit of a bear flag right here, maybe. So,
man, I had to do such a better job with my stops on that second trade. I'm just re-looking at it right now, and I rode that thing. The worst one, I rode at like 60 points. That was terrible. But yeah, building out bear flag, just came back up, kissed the 9 on the 1 minute, kind of dancing around that 14. Or 21, I'm sorry. What is your 21 at? That's the 1 minute chart we're looking at on your screen too.
That's a 1 minute and it's roughly at 28. But I think on a 5 minute...
That's where mine's at too. Sorry. I guess you're just your chart is like elongated versus mine. There we go.
On a 5 minute, I've got it at 26,009 roughly. Yep.
So you don't really like using the 9 at all, huh? You just use the 21 primarily.
Yeah, I've got the 14 on Trading, just to see if it retests, maybe, so I can kind of see if it retests which one it retests, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So, yeah. If it's going to hold one or the other, I always want to see it above the 14. That's kind of the 21. I like to see it wick through it a lot to continue, whichever direction it's going. Right. And then I kind of use the 14 as kind of, okay, it's changing directions.
Oh, okay.
Let me start kind of focus the other way. So.
Yeah, I guess that's how I kind of loosely use the 9 as well. If I have the 9, and that's why I even have it, that's why I have my 9 in green and my 21 is in red. So right now, since the 9, you know,
Okay.
green is go, right? So the green light is above
Yeah, there
red
you
light,
go.
so it's go, right? And then if red light is above green light, then it's short. Not that I, you know, fully stick to that. But man, yeah, look at this huge volume shelf right here at 26,050, which we're popped above it now. So I'm guessing we're just going to keep going up. I think this is going to be a failed bear flag here. Huh. Otherwise, I guess if it drops back through 26,040, maybe we have
Yeah,
a
I mean,
chance of it going
we
lower. But yeah, there you go. Just
I
made a
was,
new session high right there.
yeah, I was thinking bear flag, and we got a great push back up for 40 points,
Yep.
50 points.
Hey, good morning, Harmon. How we doing today? Thank you so much for
Good
stopping in
morning.
and
Good
saying
morning. Good to
hi.
see you here. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, look at that. You got a fan, Trading Cowboy.
Yeah.
Woo! That was funny. D Money talking about his, you know, driving up to his apartment complex with the G wagon, and like the neighbors and stuff like that going, "Ooh, that's nice. Can we see inside it?" Gonna be batting him off. So it came up to tap 26,077. I mean, again, it's hard when we're this high and it's going up because it's hard to find a target. Maybe 26,106. That was Wednesday's high back in November. So looking at something like this right here, 26,104. Yeah, I mean, kind of like we called out, man. 10 o'clock consolidation. I mean, it's like a 40, 50 point range, though, from the peak and valley there. Forming another little bull flag, though.
Yeah, this is always the point that gets me right here. I missed this move.
Uh-huh.
I'm kind of wanting to FOMO, and hopefully this is a bull flag that plays out.
Right.
But sometimes this gets me because it just beat that high, and now are we gonna just flush a little bit, or
Teasing you for that second move, right?
yeah, the market never does what I want when I want it. But we're just here to ride those candles.
Yep. Ride them candles. I love it.
That'll be on one of our shirts, guys, pretty soon.
Be a surfer in a cowboy hat.
There you go.
Hey, Lewis. Ew. Yeah, man. Special guest today. Actually, special guest last few days here. Trading Cowboy, helping us out with some banger trades too, man. I think you got like a 30, 40, or 50 point the other day that was quite lucrative.
Yeah, we hit a couple good ones here. So Greg just hit a great one a while ago. So
Yeah, actually, we did just get a 40 pointer. That was
it's good to see you, Lewis.
But yeah, man, how's everything been across the pond, bud? How's everything going, man? We're about to experience a little bit of what you guys get. I mean, we're about to hit 20s here in Florida next week. My God.
Yeah, about the time I decide Florida to be the place for me to be because it's too cold here, then y'all have the same temperatures.
Literally, right? What is with this, like, the whole global warming thing and blah, 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 blah.
Yeah. Where's that global warming at now?
Right? Freezing effing cold, man. Oh. Which have you seen those? It was like I don't know what they were. They almost seemed like they were soccer buddies or something like that. And they were on like an interview, and the interviewer was talking about just global warming had popped up or something like that. And the guy was talking about all those giant windmills, and he's like, "Well, the windmills are cooling the earth down." And they stopped for a sec, and they were like, "Wait, what?" And he's like, "Yeah, like the windmills that cool the earth down, like not the ones that produce energy." And they're like, "Wait, do you think that those are
Yeah,
like
wait a minute.
fans
Wait a minute.
that you can turn on like high, medium, low, and like it's just blowing, and that's what's cooling the earth down?" He had no idea that they were, wind generating electrical blah 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 blah. But yeah, so stinking funny. Yeah, all good. We have just bought a renovation project, so it's taking 10 days off to knock walls down, reboard, and yipes, dude. Nice, man. That's super exciting. Hell yeah, bud. And actually, we were just talking about that, too. My 1987 Airstream that we renovated has been on Airbnb for, I guess, 45 days now. In January, we were actually booked up 16 days out of January. So absolutely phenomenal month. February now, I think we're only booked up 6 days so far, but it seems like we're definitely a last minute booking thing. It's like people want like the little birthday weekends and stuff like that. Dude, right? It's super fun, man. You too, Lewis. Appreciate you, bud. So this bull flag is starting to kind of play out, man. I'm a little bit tempted. Put a stop down here at 26051 maybe. See if we can't get a little pop out of here.
Yeah, like I said in the past, these wicks down kind of scare me because it shows support, but it did push down.
Yeah.
It keeps making, on a 1 minute, not total confirmation, but it is making higher lows. But that little jump there made me think, okay, they're trying to trap some more bulls so we can get a good push down.
They're trying to trap Greg.
They're trying to trap me for sure. Because
Man, they got me. They got me with that shiny object, man. I mean, again, it's like the voice of reason, right? I see that little shiny object. I'm like, this might be time for us to enter. And then literally a second later, Trading Cowboy is like, they put this little guy here to excite people and trap. And I'm like, fucking. Yep. Ugh. House itself was nearly 450, and it's not nice. Another 150-ish to do it up. Yeah, dude. Honestly, same thing here, man. So I was talking about it yesterday when I was selling real estate here. For us, like a townhouse, I presume you guys have townhouses there, but they're like attached units. So like an attached townhouse unit, it would be a 6-unit building. Each one was, the lowest price point was about $500,000. So same thing, about like 475,000 up to about like 550,000, and it would be for between like 1,500 to 1,900 square feet, just depending on like the model that you chose. So that's a very, very, very expensive townhome. That would have been only maybe, I don't know, like 280 to probably 340 about 5 years ago now. And then, yeah, man, wood, material, everything. I mean, COVID just really screwed us up. Honestly, I look at houses in the U.S. and I'm jealous. Yeah, man, it depends, dude. It depends. Like where I came from, Niagara Falls, New York, you would never want to live there, right? You never want to live there. I just went to the University of Buffalo, so you have like college campus housing right around there. So when you're a college student, sure, you live there. It's perfect. You can literally buy those houses for 35 grand. A full-blown house, 35 grand. You do not want to live there. It's called 3rd Street. 3rd Street in Niagara Falls. The mayor, too, even did like this when I was in college. I was like a sophomore in college. They even did incentives that if you were like a young professional and you rented or bought a house on 3rd Street, then you got like a pretty good tax break and things like that. And nobody signed up for it because whatever tax break you got, you'd have to invest in security cameras and police presence and guard dogs. And so yeah, man, it depends. Here in Winter Garden, same thing. We've absolutely exploded in price. To get a single family home here now, you're looking at probably 600, and then they go up to I mean, I live in kind of the crazy area though. We have Islesworth, is like 10 miles away from me. That's where Tiger Woods got beat up by his wife. You remember all that?
Yeah,
When
yeah.
yeah, when
When
he
he hit the
crashed from the
tree.
tree. And then Shaq sold his house here too. My buddy actually, real estate agent too, toured through Shaq's house and put it on his like socials and stuff like that. That was sold for like
Wow.
32 mil. The Queen of Versailles, you know, that the timeshare mogul person has their 90,000 square foot house, and that's like 15 minutes away. Actually, the gross one, because I live on Johns Lake here, right? The crazy one is Osama bin Laden actually had a compound here on Johns Lake. So it's a
Holy
7,000
cow!
square foot
Wow.
home. It's on like 3 or 4 acres. It's a gorgeous piece of property. But yeah, he had like 7 wives or something like that, and his brother were hiding out in there, you know, when all the kind of chaos was happening. So it's been condemned ever since, and it just literally got torn down about a year ago, actually. Little Florida history lesson for you guys while we're trying to day trade
Yeah.
here. I mean, I guess we unfortunately kind of called it out. You know, 10 o'clock hit, and I was like, shoot, man, we got FOMC tomorrow. This might just be some barcodey bullshit. We did have a nice little move down there just to, retrace it.
Yeah, we're kind of just consolidating here for some kind of move.
Yep,
We we can't make a newer high yet, but we're we're sure trying. So showing a little strength.
yep.
Um, Gold's not really doing anything. Nvidia is pushing real hard. Um, we probably should have bought some 186 option calls on Nvidia this morning. So
Man, look at NVIDIA rip, actually. Yeah, same thing. Qs are still going up a little. Yeah, man, that's an interesting concept, too. Which my buddy brought that up to me, I don't know, 4 months ago, and I wasn't really interested in it at the time. I was like, I just want to stick to futures. Let's just stick to one thing. But he wanted to do a thing where we did futures, we did stock picks, and then we did crypto all at the same time as well. Like, each person had their own specialty, and we'd pop in and out and be like, all right, NQ is firing. Let's trade this now. Or it's like, oh, Bitcoin's dropping. Let's switch over to Bitcoin. I'm like, man,
yeah,
that would be a wild. I don't know how you'd get your audience, though. That would be such a kind of chaotic mumbo
for
jumbo.
sure. Yeah, it's when you start trading NQ and ES and all that for so long, and you're watching for bull flags and bear flags and stuff, and then you look back at the regular market and you're like, well, wait a minute, Netflix just did that. Why did I not try to enter that? Why,
Right.
you know?
Right, man. And that was actually, interesting letter. And hold on one sec. Hey, Lewis, we thoroughly appreciate it, man. Thank you so much for popping in and saying hi to us. And hell yeah, man. Have a nice rest of your day. Maybe we'll get to see you for the rest of the week. And enjoy those renos too, man. That's a hell of a project. It's a lot of fun, though. I always enjoy doing stuff like that because every single day you're like, what the hell am I doing? And then you figure it out. It's kind of cool. It's a rewarding feeling.
Yeah, thanks, Lewis. Come back and see us.
Yep. Man, and this is what I was kind of concerned of too with this consolidation, right? It kind of gives you the tease that it's going in one direction, and then you get kind of a big rug pull or pop into the opposite direction. But like we're seeing right now, it might not necessarily be sustained, right? Like watch this thing just pop right back up to the 26,070s.
Yeah, that's what I was worried about is it was trying to tease us saying, okay, we're going to go higher.
Yep.
And then we barely cleared that by 2 points, and then we get a 20-point dump.
Yep. Which, yeah, actually the weakness is coming in a little bit stronger, but we'll see. Is it just...
It is, maybe we pull back to 34.
But yeah, that's what I was just about to say too. Is when when Patrick did the mentorship thing. Like I said to him when I first got there too, is I was really a swing trader, just swings trading everyday stocks. And when I found out he was a futures trader, I'm like, oh no, like this is completely different. Like, all right, let's figure it out. And then I was like, you know what? There's no bad decisions here. Just go, and you're gonna learn a lot. And at the very least, it'll help you out with stock market stuff and picks and seeing patterns and things like that. And you're right, it certainly has. So yeah, you can
I think the
take...
patterns is a super big key
Yep.
that you have to pick up fast on NQ, and then you can look at other stuff, Tesla and stuff like that, and say, oh yeah, look at that, that's what that
Yeah,
was.
you can
So
go out to like a mark, or a week. You can go to the week mark point and stuff
I
like
have
that.
bad
yeah,
news and
yeah.
good news.
Uh-huh.
The bad news is all of our duckies have the flu.
What?
Yeah. The good news is I gave them all a lot of hay.
Oh, okay.
I brought your little red thing.
Oh, good. How do they have the flu though? Does Mama think they have the flu?
Mama didn't see, but I saw Daisy sneezing.
Oh no.
Yeah, of course today was the day that there was poop in the water for the goats. So I had to like put my hands in the ice full of
Yeah,
water to
dude.
clean it out.
Ugh.
And then I told Dad.
Hey, what's up, Mindy? Morning, morning, morning. Yeah,
Morning,
I
Mindy.
don't think they actually do.
No, they
She's asking, the ducks have the flu? I mean, if they do, that's deadly. They're just, unfortunately, they would all die. But I don't think that they. I don't think
And
they
then
have the
Wyatt
flu.
was very mature. He took it upon himself to go get more hay and
And fluff it and everything.
and put it in
Aw,
there.
good,
One egg
bud.
today, though.
Other two would have
Yeah, again, it's just so stinking cold right now for these poor little animals.
All right, guys. So I took a short right there as soon as it broke that. Just gonna kind of ride it, see where it goes. I already have a stop set, so
Shoot, man. Yeah,
we're
it's
in a
already
little bit of
going
profit
well.
up about. Yeah.
Oh no, it's black screen. Why did it go
Look at
black
that,
on
guys.
me? There it is. There it is.
Oh.
Dude, nice stinking trade so far, man. And I missed it,
Yeah.
you know.
So we'll just ride that. We're kind of thinking we got a shelf at 34 right here. Maybe it'll get to it.
Yep.
Oh my god, so cold.
I'm gonna trail it pretty tight though. So
Yeah. Beautiful trade though, man.
I don't
Beautiful
want to get
trade.
back. Yeah.
That'll
And
work.
it stops me, but
That'll work.
yeah. We got 153 bucks on 5 accounts. So
Shoo! That's not bad
750
at
bucks.
all. And this is your funded account, right?
These are a couple of legends that I have. So
Oh, okay.
I
Nice,
switched
man.
back over on my funded account right now. We're looking at about, where are we sitting? We're about 810 bucks right now. So
Hell yeah, dude. Very nice. Very, very nice.
I don't want to get tilted a little bit, but if I got a couple more days on that account that I can then request a payout, so
Yeah.
I may try to go pretty hard on it here later. So
Nice, dude. Nice. Well, yeah, and unfortunately for me, as always, here it is 10:26. So my time is going to be up fairly soon. I'll push it a little bit longer though. We'll go to maybe like 10:45 today. But still kind of in this consolidation. Unless I can get a nice little move like you did, who the heck knows? Which I guess it is still kind of looking a little weak, but I can
yeah,
also
we
see-
just had a little bear flag play out, kind of thinking maybe this could be another one.
yeah, see if it rejects off our 53 area here. Let's see. What time is it? 10:27. So we got 2 more minutes until our new 5, our freshie 5.
Oh, it's tempting me.
For that, yeah, for the bear flag.
It is. It really is. So
I mean, it wouldn't be a terrible stop either. You could even put a stop at 61, so it's only like a 10
yeah, you
pointer.
could put it right above there.
Or maybe right above 64, because I was convinced myself to move shit.
I think we'll try that. I think we'll do there.
Order filled.
Yep, I'm in it with
Set
you,
a
man.
stop above. If we do get a pop, I may just reverse right out of it. So
Mm-hmm.
and now we're going to show a little strength. But let's see what happens at the 21. Okay, not crazy about that candle close. So let's see if we can get a push. The 5 minute on NVIDIA tried to hold.
Yeah.
Made a nice little wick.
ES is still breaking though. ES just broke its previous 3 candles. And technically, I mean, look at it. ES really broke its previous like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. Minus one of them had a strong wick.
Yeah, so you know what I'm kind of seeing is maybe a fake out to the upside and then a
Yep.
nice drop,
Little
maybe.
pop to 58 or something. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna have our 10:30 candle in 20 seconds here.
Kind of hopeful on this because we didn't get that nice 50-second push like we usually do on a 5 minute candle. So
Well, the 5 minutes about to be
gives me
right
a little
here.
encouragement.
There we go. Come on.
Okay, got a little support right there.
Little push. Little push.
Order filled.
I had a few more on that push. Good
Yeah,
idea.
you know,
bad idea.
I'm tempted to. Got about 10 seconds left on this candle, 5 seconds now. If we get a little push down, I may reverse. I don't know. I still like the short, unless we bust 61.
Range time, Miguel says. Yeah, man.
For real.
Let's see, though. We just need it to come down a little bit.
You're going to write an E at the end of each word that needs a caboose E, so that the word does not end with a V or U.
ES is starting to build a little bit of strength.
You might need to sit up by it. Why don't you sit up with the heating guy? You can do it. I did it yesterday.
Yeah, I think we're going to get a pretty good push up right here.
Shoot.
So caboose E goes at the end of, so a word never ends in a V or a U. What?
Yeah.
Mom, I just was making it.
Man, unless it reverses right now. We still got 30 seconds left of this candle, though.
And I was making it look like it was
Come
a
on.
rocket, then it just broke by.
ES is really pushing good.
Yep.
Yeah.
NVIDIA's trying.
Yeah, NVIDIA's forming a flag.
Getting a little drop on VIX here, so
How did you do that?
may exit right in here somewhere if it keeps pushing.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
We'll see what this next candle tries.
Yeah, it's going to stop me out probably right here.
You know, if we don't break that wick, if we break that wick, then yeah, we may get a push back to the top.
Mm-hmm. Come on, range her back down. Range it back down. Stuck in a range, stuck in a range, stuck in a range, stuck in a range. Got a brand new candle. Let's see. Here we go. Still slowly trending up though. Is that is his collar too tight? He keeps coughing.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, we're probably holding this thing too long.
And I'm out. Yeah, I'm gonna exit that trade.
Shoot.
Yeah. You took the part of my rocket.
Yep.
Stop failed.
Shoot, 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 shoot. Though, of course, now we're probably got stopped right at the top of the range, you know?
Yeah, you know, it's not making a high yet, so.
Now you're going to circle the
Damn it.
correct homophones.
Hmm.
Homophones are words that sound. What? Homophones? Is that how you say it?
Yeah.
Miss Ashley said it? Okay, homophones. So have the
Yeah, ES bounced off to 9 and 21 on a 5-minute, pretty good.
Yep.
a word that sounds
Here's a new 5-minute.
but different spellings mean different things. So
Yep, still pushing.
I hear the birds. Which one are we circling? I hear the birds.
What do we have?
Which ear is it?
Order
Stop.
filled.
Go out there and play.
Why did it?
Which
So
ear?
kind of on a daily, the next thing we have is 102 area. We just broke most of our 4-hour.
3, 2, 1.
Hmm.
On a 4-hour as well, we have 104. So 102, 104 on a longer time frame.
I'm almost considering. I mean, it'd be so dumb, but yeah. I'm gonna.
Order filled.
We're gonna see. I'm gonna add to this short really quick, actually. Now that it's bull flagging.
Okay.
We'll see, man. It's probably a terrible idea. But I was just thinking, because we just made, you know, we might have hopefully some type of pop back down. But yeah, we're definitely bull flagging right now. This is probably gonna be terrible. Not good. Good wick back down though, at least.
So you got this one correct.
Daddy, did you finish your bacon?
Yeah, I did, baby. Thank you.
So look at 4 and 4. You did
Yeah, we kind of rejected right there at the 83 is pretty good. So
I need 4 spoons.
Yeah, we still got some good pushes right
They
now.
don't mean the same
yeah,
thing. So which one do we use for I need? Which one do we use for I need? 4
Order
spoons?
filled.
Yeah, it's not gonna work.
No, that's the wrong one.
Hopefully there's a little double top. We'll see. We'll see, gang.
I need
Let's see if we can save it.
yeah, you don't know till you jump on that bull, right?
Shoo!
I'm an astronaut.
Until you ride that surfboard, get on that wave and ride, right?
Right?
I'm an astronaut.
What time is it? Oh, we still got 30 seconds left. Let's see. We got in at 80.
Okay. I see a goose. Which C is it? We're gonna do this one. Yes, we are. We're doing these ones.
There you go. Come on, push down.
Right?
I see a goose. Which C is it? But now we're doing this because you struggled a little bit with that one. I see a goose. Which C is it? It's not about you messing up again. It's just giving you more practice. It's okay if you mess up again.
Oh, man.
Okay, spelling rules S, F, L, or Z. So I'm gonna need a word.
Well, we'll see.
We're gonna spell it out.
Yeah, I mean, you know,
Remember, when a word ends.
the short's not a terrible idea, but it's making a nice bull flag right here.
Yeah, it is, man. It just keeps pushing and pushing and pushing. And there's just there's no stop in sight is the issue, right?
So,
Yeah.
spell the word hill.
Stop filled. Order filled. Order
I don't
filled.
know. We got to get out of some of these.
Fine.
Well, gang, that didn't work. I don't know.
Stop.
Let's see. What are we doing? Yeah, I mean, everything's just kind of pushing, man. Oh, da 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 da.
Good job. Glass.
Because now it is starting to fall just a
The
little.
windows are made of glass.
Hmm.
Buzz.
Yeah, we should get a little small pullback now. I don't know how big, but ES is pulling back just a little bit. Got to rebuild a little bit.
Yeah. Though, unfortunately, I got out of just about everything. So,
Okay.
I would need it to come way the heck down here now, if it can.
Yeah.
Fall is my favorite season. That's a good try. The double L is correct, but the O is not. What other letter? am I doing? So
You know, if we could go get a retest back of 71,
good job.
75 area maybe.
Chime. The wind chime sounds pretty.
Yep. 1040. Damn it. Oh. Man, I had two really good trades, and then I just had two terrible trades. This is my fourth trade of the day, and that killed it. Damn.
C-H-I. Chime. C-H-I.
There you go. There's a little bit. Come on. Push down.
But yeah, I guess I would maybe expect it down to maybe 62 or something like that if it can do it.
Yeah, you know, we kind of left the 21 at 52.
Mm-hmm.
We got, yeah, I think we should wick through 65 if
It's fun playing baseball. It's fun playing baseball.
Is that what she said?
Well, the word playing, you need to spell playing.
P-O-A.
want a little strength.
Playing. Rory, get up. Get up. Stop playing. It's fun playing baseball.
Fun playing baseball. P-O-A-I-N-G-Y.
Sorry, say that again.
P-O-A-I-N-G.
Close. P-L-A. Stop now. I'm doing something with Wyatt. You're being distracting. P-L-A.
Man, this is just crazy. That just keeps slowly,
Yeah.
trickling. No retest, no nothing. I figured at least there'd be like a retest before it keeps going up. That was kind of
Yeah,
like...
I really thought we had to. I mean,
Born.
That was fairly parabolic there.
You were born on March 29th.
Still poking. Let's see, are we going to make a new high again or no?
Good job. Born. Good job.
you know, for me, even it's hard to take along right here.
Yeah, I know it. All-time highs, man. Huh. Let's go, Greg. What's up, Miguel? What's up, Miguel? Man, went against us today, though. Went against us. Went a little too heavy at the wrong times.
Tina, good job.
I'll tell you and then you say it, okay? Say W, Y, A, T, T. Now just keep saying that until you get it.
We just can't get that little push you need.
And just stuck. We're just sitting here stuck.
Okay, so the next ones are more spelling words. Do you want to use the letter tiles app or do you want to say them out loud?
Come on. Boop 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 boo. Boop boop boo. Boop 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 boo. Boo boo doo doo. Man, just stuck. I don't know if we have a better chance of going up or better chance of going down. We probably have a better chance of going up, but it just seems crazy that we're just stuck here.
Okay, first word, Ben.
Yeah, you know, I don't know what the market wants. You know, gold went up. It's retraced a little bit.
Only.
We're going to need a new 5-minute candle in 30 seconds here. Man, I really do got to get going, unfortunately. Still pushing, still
Here's a
pushing,
little
still
push.
pushing. Here we're almost to the 100s. What was my end all be all? I think it was like 117 is what we were targeting as a potential.
Yeah, 102 and 104 on a daily and a 4-hour was kind of where we were looking.
Yeah.
No, you got this. It's not a launcher. We have to do this. This is how we get our
Order filled.
mark for doing our schoolwork. Or you can say it out loud. It doesn't matter.
Ben,
Only.
E-O-I-E.
Okay, good start. Only.
Only.
I see the money coming soon, Miguel says. I know, sorry guys, I have like my concentration face now. Now we're serious, Greg. We're still not serious, Greg, but it's just like, man, this stinking thing, 10:45, I gotta get going. I screwed up this account today. Ugh. Trying to do one like kind of like YOLO buzzer beater on the way out, which is not a way to trade, gang, obviously.
I want to search for flowers.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see, we just get a tiny little, like, look at this. At this point, if we could just get a tiny little reaction down, we'll be all right.
Yeah.
But if we get
Yeah, we
any
just need a
type of
little-
reaction up, we're fucked. You know? There's a little reaction down,
you go.
Go on. We need a little more than this, though, at this point. Come on.
Order filled.
Ugh.
It keeps buying it right back up, but
Yeah, I know. Probably not good, right? It's probably going to keep going up, at least to the hundreds, like you said.
yeah, I mean, that 102, 104 area was kind of, I'd like to, if it does get to that, I'd like to see if it respects that and pulls back a little bit.
Yep.
NVIDIA still trying. Of course, ES is just mooning.
Yep.
Come on, there's a little pullback.
Order filled.
Ride it, Greg, ride it.
Gee, we're trying. We're trying.
Keep going, keep going.
Search.
If we can get through 85, there we go. Come on, push through it.
So let's go back to the O. 'Cause we know
Push
we're
through
gonna
85.
Okay, so you have the concept correct, search. However, this one is a tricky one. We have to add in an extra letter.
Let's go down to 76.
Nope, we already have the E.
Push.
The extra E that we have to add in is an A. Search. Yep, it does not follow any normal rules. Search.
Showing some respect at 85.
Yep.
Spell siege.
Okay. Upon.
So it means spell siege.
Upon.
And might get stopped out.
Okay.
It'd still be nice to go down there and touch the 21, but
Yeah, man.
Good job. She's sleeping.
Stop
Yep.
filled.
Stopped out.
Brother.
Well, shoot, gang. Man, as
hey,
much
but you
as
got a
I'd
good
love to
trade
be-
in.
I want to keep trading. I got to get going, though. Not a great day. Down 1,000, down 1,100. Ugh. Ugh. That's all right. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll come back refreshed, and it'll be a great day.
There's an sign.
Yeah.
Letters are
Shoot. Yeah, I gotta get going. There's no reason to try to do anything else on the way out. That'd be too silly.
So again, this one doesn't follow the normal rules. So
I always get teased though.
letter could be there.
Man, so what are you thinking today, Trading Cowboy? Do you want to continue? Are you gonna keep do you want to live stream? Do you want people to hop over to your channel? What are you thinking?
Yeah, if anybody's watching, hop over to my channel. I'll be back on there in about 5-10 minutes probably.
Yeah,
We'll
hell
go for a
yeah,
little
man.
while.
Rock and roll. Yeah, I might even pop in. You know, I'll be a viewer. I'll pop in as a viewer halfway through my day or something. I'll say hi.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, guys, come over and see the Trading Cowboy.
Sweet. All right, gang. Well, we appreciate the heck out of you. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. 10:50. So I've fortunately got to sign off because helping my buddy build this lovely fireplace. As much as I would love to stay with you guys, man, if we didn't have FOMC tomorrow either, I'm really of the mind to just put a trade on and just let it sit, you know.
Right.
But I don't even know what it'd be, you know. I'd love to just do a short, you know, do a short and then put it down to here.
Yeah.
And then just let it
And,
ride the
this
whole
is- this is-
stream.
We're finally getting your drop too. So
Man, I might be tempted to do that actually.
Daddy,
Huh?
I can trade for you.
Can you? Heck yeah,
There we
bud.
go.
Come on up. Come on up to the classroom. All right, we're gonna just try one
There we
more.
go.
Hopefully, we
Great,
can just sneak
great,
it a little
Greg.
bit lower.
we're drilling it.
He has to teach me though.
Oh, I got stopped out there. All right.
Oh shoot!
Good trade.
And I need mine to go a little bit lower right now. I chased a big old candle. Hold on, Wyatt. Hold on, please. Come on, a little bit. Come on, guys.
Order filled.
All
Order
right, we gotta
filled.
kind of take these. I gotta just go. I'm just
Order
being
filled.
silly now. All right, gang. Love you to death. Everybody enjoy your day, and we will see you rock and roll tomorrow morning. Don't forget to hop over to Trading Cowboy so you can keep killing it.
Why, look it.
Nvidia dumping. Yeah, but it's at its previous day high, so that could be a support for it as well.
Why, what?
Shoot, man.
Daddy, I can trade.
But yeah, look at this. It's still going. As I'm trying to friggin' leave right now, and it's still just dropping.
It's like the casino telling you not to leave.
Yeah, literally. 100%, man. And I mean, we do have, you know, it could pop down to the 60 now pretty easily. You get a quick 10 points out of this
Daddy,
thing.
how about you bring this to Josh?
No, because I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to get it all painted and stuff. Yeah, all right. I got to go. Love you guys. Woo.